How much did my first ever digital product earn me since launching until now? So how can you make money with digital products online and sell them on your website as a blogger, entrepreneur, coach, or content creator? Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we'll talk about social media marketing for business and how to grow your income online. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to talk about digital products and how you can use them to increase your revenue as a blogger, entrepreneur, or content creator and make passive income. I'm going to tell you the story of my first ever digital product, which was the Pinterest workbook. It is a workbook I created for bloggers, entrepreneurs, or Pinterest virtual assistants that needed help with maintaining their Pinterest strategy intact. They would use this Pinterest workbook for their own Pinterest needs in order to grow or for their clients' needs. So I'm going to tell you how I created it, how much I sold it for, and how much did that earn me since launching until now. So I created that workbook in Canva. It is really easy to do and a tutorial is coming soon. And I sold it for around $14 and $11 if you got it with the special discount. After creating the workbook, I brainstormed some YouTube video ideas that would help me promote the workbook. So I created videos about Pinterest growth so that people that watch that video obviously would also be interested in growing on Pinterest and in purchasing that workbook. So I made that strategy and then I started creating YouTube videos about it, or YouTube videos in which I mentioned the workbook. This is how I started promoting the workbook and got my first sales. Until now, I only talked about this workbook in about 10 or 12 videos from my channel. So that's a really small number if you consider that those videos have between 100 and maybe 1,000 views each. So given the number of visitors that I got for my Pinterest workbook, the purchases were a lot. I started using the workbook myself. Obviously, I created it for my own Pinterest needs as a Pinterest virtual assistant, and that's what got me so interested in promoting it, and I had a lot of things to say about it. So this is what I suggest you do as well if you want to sell a digital product. First, use it yourself, think how it can help your audience, and then this will give you a lot more opportunity to promote it in the right way. Now onto the actual income. Let me tell you exactly how many sales I got for the workbook and how much money I made. So this workbook had months in which I sold over $200 worth of it, or I had months in which I sold nothing. So it's really just up and down, and it really depends on how much I'm promoting it. In the last few months, I didn't promote it as much in my videos, so that's why it didn't get that many sales. But overall, so far, I sold over 200 items total in my WooCommerce shop from 197 orders, and the sales were $1,158 from only 531 visitors. So compared to how much time I actually spent creating that workbook, which wasn't a lot, I think I created it in less than a week, and compared to how much I spent promoting it, which again wasn't a lot because most of the time I didn't create special videos for the workbook, I just mentioned it in Pinterest videos. So I mentioned if you want to get organized with Pinterest, you can get this workbook, and that was it, just 30 seconds in a video. So compared to all of that, the sales I believe are amazing, because imagine if I created 5 digital products such as that one, that would mean $100 per month, $500 per month for those digital products. So if you want to learn how to make passive income with digital products and have no idea what digital products you can create for your blog, website, or business in general, in this video I share 10 digital product ideas that you can sell online. So make sure to check that out and start creating your first digital products so you can earn passive income on your website. So that was it for this video. This is how much I made for my first ever digital product. A lot more digital products are coming in the future, so stay tuned and check out my website in the description below, or go to incomingsuccess.com/digital products. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for a lot more content on growing online with social media. And also don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on growing your online presence, business, and income with social media. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.